So I'm having a random beach day. We are here at New Brighton. Yeah, so every other day this week it's been absolutely beautiful, but we come to the beach and it's a little bit overcast and foggy. But never mind, at least I'm at the beach. Do you know what? I'm going to tell you a secret. I am not a fan of the beach at all. Don't get me wrong, when I'm abroad, absolutely love a swimming pool. It's hot, jump in the water, get back out. But the beach, sandy. The sand gets blooming everywhere. And it's just not one of my favourite things. But the girls and James absolutely love the beach. So here we are. I'm really sorry, but I just don't get this beach thing. Don't get me wrong, right? I love the beautiful beaches down in Devon and in Wales and everywhere. But why do the kids and James get so excited about this sort of beach? I mean, it's nice to be by the sea, but I mean, look at my shoes. It looks more like mud. It's way more like mud than sand. Yeah, I'm not sold. What do you reckon? I think they're happy. So we've just found this park and it's right by the seaside. There's Liverpool over there. And here's the park and it's called Vale Park. And just look at these sculptures that are in it. They are absolutely stunning. Of the black pearl, and then over here we have Denner Line going into, where am I? Liverpool docks.